Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you about the how to uh, face the list item or loop through a list item. You can loop through the list item by using the for loop. Before you start this program, you have to know about the what is the what is the list. Let me define. I want to define that loop list loop. I want to just store some value like in a list given value equals to apple, banana, and cherry. So simple the thing you can just access this element by using the for loop. For x is a variable in the loop list in given variable. You can simply print x. By this way you can print all the value from the beginning level, right? It means apple, banana, and cherry. It's print 1, 2, 3, or 0 index, 1 index, and 2 index respectively. So, so loop through the index number. You can also access the value, loop through the index number. You can also loop through the list item by referring to their index number. Use the range and the len function to create the suitable iterable. So let me create an example like I want to do the I want to access this loop through the index number, and then I want to just use this for I in range, and you want to just count the length of the given list and loop list, right? So once you have around this number print, and you have to write that's loop list and the indexing I. You can simply print the indexing. I run this program again. Yeah, same thing. You have apple, banana, cherry, apple, banana, cherry. I wanna uncomment the previous one. It's the same thing, right? You can just access the I element in the range of length equals given length, right? So you have to know about this is the thing that use I in the initial value of the I was the iterable created. This is the 0, 1, and 2. Or you can simply check the value print I, and you will get something over here like let me check the value of the I is the first iterable of the I equals to 0, and the second iterable is 1 is banana and 2 is cherry. This way you can just access the element of the loop, or you can just using a while loop also. You can do that. You can loop through the item by using the while loop too. Use the length function to determine the length of the list, then you start at 0 and loop your way to the list item by referring to their index, right? You have to remember to increase the index by 1 after each iterations. Let me write this code, right? loop using loop using while loop, right? So I have already defined the array list. I want to define I equals to 0 while I is greater less than equals less than this list length this list, right? loop list loop list, right? Print this list, a loop list, print the loop list and the item I, and I equals to I plus 1, or you can do I equal plus equals to something, plus equals to I equals I plus 1. Yeah, you can do this once, and simply you can run this functions, right? Okay. Yeah, the same thing that we do before, like is a loop with a loop, you can uncomment the above code and you can do the same thing as apple, banana, and cherry. Or this is indexing. You have to print that. Let me check the printing item I, and you will get the indexings of this number, right? It's the same thing, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Or you can simply do, I think you can do like this, where I think let me try this way. Maybe it works, right? Let me try. I'm not sure. Is it error? Is a time conversion error? So it's okay. You can just write this way and then printing the value of the 1, 2, 3, 4 at a table. Or same thing, you can just print I. The value of I means the iterable index. Yeah, this same the way you can just access the value. The logical concept of the initial state, how we initialize the value of I equals to 0, it means the initial state of the I equals to 0, while I is less than the given loop list. It means it's count the given number, like it's count this the list element 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It is 3, but it's iterable from 0, so this is 1, 0, 1, 2. It means 3, so it goes up to the 2. So so the last executions of equals to 2. The value of I equals to 2. So this is happen like this. So you can use the loop using the list comprehensive, or you can use the list comprehensive offer the shorter syntax for the loop through the list. It's sometimes it looks like there's a lambda functions also. So let me write this code. Let us try to loop using the list comprehensive. Offer the shortest syntax for looping this ones, right? So I want to write these comprehensive functions like print the x for x in loop list. But the same thing, you can get a result like, let me run this code again. All right. The same thing, apple, banana, cherry. This is a print x per x in this loop. It is a shortcut method, a shortcut process of this comprehensive loop. So you can use the least comprehensive offer, list comprehensive. So the Python has a special characteristic to sorter your code or your source code. So list comprehensive offer a sorter the syntax when you want to create a new list based on the value of existing list. The example, based on your list fruit, you you want to new list containing only one fruits, a letter A, and the name. Without the list comprehensive, you will have to write for a statement for additional test inside. So let me create an array containing a list containing this ones, right? Containing fruits. So I want to add a new list array, new list array, and then I want to do for x in fruits, right? If in fruits, fruits, right? In fruits, I want to do the conditions like if a in x, new list that append, this is in x, and I do print the new list, right? Yeah, you can run this code, right? Yeah. Apple, banana, mango is new list. Apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, mango, right? Uh-huh. I want to do comment this previous one. So apple, banana, mango. Yeah, this program logic is only the things for x input. If a in x, it means given x containing the a and the new list append the list. It means this is a list, new list is a blank list. We define the blank list. So if the list proves, if a in x means if the a is exist in x, then the new list that append this x, right? In the x, like, yeah, it's a means apple a, banana a, and mango a. Only those three, apple, banana, and mango is exist in the exists in the x. That's why it's append append the same thing here. Or let's try y. Or you can, if again y in x, again new list that append x. Yeah, let me try. Supposed to be cherry is also there, right? Yeah. The first executions find A in the given list, and then apple, banana, and mango is there. And other executions like y in the x given list, x what we found y here, and also that's why it's append another list in the y containing the y, the cherry. So it print that apple, banana, cherry, the mango in this list. It is a type of the list comprehensive. With the list comprehensive, you can do all that only one line code, or you can just write simply the one line code. You can just create new list equals to x for x in fruits if a in x. This is the new line code. It's a comprehensive code. It's print the data, and then I want to do print, and then the new list, right? At the same thing as the before, above, it's print and print the conditions over here. So by this way, we can use the comprehensive loop in these things. So the syntax is, you can do the conditions, or main syntax is looks like this. So you have a new list, the written items, expression, this is the x, per its condition, per item means item in iterable if condition, this condition is in true. So same the thing, you can do the multiple logic, multiple things, the iterable in this list comprehensive. You can use the different logic about the iterable. You can use the conditions. You can use the conditions, and let me check the conditions, right? Okay, let me check the conditions like these things. If new list x for x include if x is not equals to apple, right? Let me print this once again. And what would be the result, right? Print all the items, print all the items in the new list where x is not apple. It means this is the conditions, right? The same thing you can print if statement like not equal, the condition if x is not equal to apple will return the true for all element other than the apple, making a new list containing all truth except the apple. So the condition is optional and can be omitted. And you can use this list comprehensive in an iterable method also. So you can use the range functions to create the iterable. Okay, let me try let me try these things, right? And you will get a result what is here, right? You can just iterable the x for x in range 10. It means it goes up to the 10. See the example in below, right? And you can accept only the lower number than 5, or you can just run this code new list x for x in the range 10. If x is less than 5, it means just you can do the conditions the number is less than 5, it means up to 4. Or you can do the expression, you can use the expressions about the new list, the expression in the current item in the iterable, but it is also the outcome which you can manipulate before it ends up like it's a list item in the new list. So you can just add this new list and you can run this code like this way, right? And let me do the things. So this code example shows that the new list equal to x is to uppercase for all x in fruits. It means the all items contained in the fruits that goes to the x dot uppercase and x dot uppercase. This is the expression. You can also the same thing for the, you can set the outcome to the whatever you like. So yeah, you can just set whatever you like. Or let me try the another expressions like set all value in the new list hello, or set all value in the new list is the same as you want, right? And I want to try this new list equals to hello for the x in the fruit. It means all the items contained in set in the hello in the fruits, right? It's remove all other things. Or before that it's you print the upper cases, and I want to do right this one. Yep, it's a hello, right? The expression can also condition content not like filter but as the way to manipulate the outcome. So you can return the orange instead of banana, like you can use the other way, like if if x not equals to banana else orange for x in fruit. It's not equals to banana and then not equals to banana else orange. It means look the result. It's not equals to banana means it just print the banana equals to not equals to banana else orange. It means it don't like to print the banana, so it's print the orange. Right, look here, it's a banana, it's in place of banana, it's just print the orange. By this way, we can use these things, use the least comprehensive method. So guys, we can do the lots of logic or conditions using the least comprehensive. Simple the thing is every pattern is same, but the least comprehensive is a method to shorten the code. It means shorten the code, or you can just you can just make little bit shorter your expressions and whatever you want. So the Python has a powerful powerful thing that we can just reduce the code, but we can do the output as a long code whatever we use over there. Okay, thank you guys.